Guys, new car today, Jetta SE. It's the 1.8 turbo.
Yes.
Yep. So this is Lafayette. We actually did the BMW exhaust delete on his car. So now we're doing it on his Jetta, because he sold the Beamer.
It will be missed.
Yeah. RIP Beamer. This is pretty straightforward. I thought it hit record. This is pretty straightforward. The muffler is right down there, and then there's a resonator, or other way around, whatever it is, behind the wheel area. And he will lose his shiny tips.
That's what she said.
But we could always get him new ones. It's the same thing I did to mine. So I kind of done this before, not really. But yeah, I'm gonna take this wheel off and we'll get started on it. It's gonna be fun.
It'll be loud.
You excited?
Oh, very.
Very?
Very.
It's gonna sound real nice. I like the way mine sounds, but this one's gonna sound even better.
Yeah, I have been seeing so many videos saying that the turbo spool's louder. I kind of want to hear.
Yeah. It's definitely gonna be worth it.
What that's gonna sound like. Yeah.
Same trusty drill from last time.
Cute puppies make everything better. Say hi. Oh yeah, you'll get followers on that one.
I would love for
I made her an Instagram page, and literally in one day she got 22 followers. X is a bitch.
This is Cassidy. You guys know her. Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
I got muffler, whatever that is, and then the other one's in his trunk, so it's all ready, man.
All right.
Hurry up, my battery's about to die.
Alright, let's Yeah, let me get this Snapchat out real quick.
It's gonna be really loud.
2, 1.
Give it love, give it love.
I love that. Hey, I'm not changing shit. Oh, hold up, that sounds nice.
It's a whole different car.
The neighbors.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.